ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. In second chapter, Bhagwan explained about Jnana Yoga little bit in a flow, and Bhagwan explained about Karma Yoga. Arjuna could not comprehend that Bhagwan wants to tell Karma Yoga only, but since it is flow of two different streams, so I can tell you Jnana Yoga along with Karma Yoga. Arjuna did not understand this. Then what happened? Arjuna asked a question, Bhagwan, you elaborately told about Jnana Yoga and you are asking me to do Karma Yoga. So you conclusively tell me one thing which is good for me. Don't confuse me, Bhagwan. Then Bhagwan said, Lokesmin Vividha Nishtha Pura Prokta Maya Naga. Both the paths are explained or imparted by me, Pura, in previous chapter, or since the creation is there, from that time I have told these two paths. One is Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga. Since this is Karma Yoga, Bhagwan is going to emphasize more on Karma. Though Jnana Yoga is superior, but Bhagwan is going to explain about Karma Yoga because there are many delegates who actually requires Karma Yoga. Very few seekers are there whom Jnana Yoga fits in. So there is most of the population where they need Karma Yoga. So Bhagavan is emphasizing we should do Karma. Now the topic is, Bhagavan says, if you want to become Naishkarmya, means a Jnani, if you want to become established in Jnana, then you must not give up all the Karma. So by doing right actions only, one day you will become actionless. Once again I say, Bhagavan is saying, if you want to become Naishkarmya, actionless Atma, Atma Swarupa, if you want to know, if you want to become, then you must not give up all the actions. You must perform actions, don't give them up. This is the shloka. And Bhagavan says, this is not going to possible, that Naishkarmya avastha, by giving up karmas. Let us see shlokas elaborately. न कर्मणा मनारंभात् नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोष्णुते न च संन्यसनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति. न कर्मणा मनारंभात् नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोष्णुते न च संन्यसनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति. Vigraha. Vigraha means you split sandhi and words so that you can understand vibhaktis. That is called Vigraha. What is Vigraha? So that you can split all the sandhis. and understand proper vibhaktis. Na कर्मणाम अनारंभात नैष्कर्म्यम पुरुषः अश्नुते न च संन्यसनात् एव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति. Now अन्वय. हाँ, कर्मणाम अनारंभात पुरुषः नैष्कर्म्यम न अश्नुते. Very beautiful shloka. कर्मणाम च संन्यासात् एव सिद्धिं न समधिगच्छति. Beautiful. Once again, I'll read. कर्मणाम अनारंभात पुरुषः नैष्कर्म्यम न अश्नुते. कर्मणाम च संन्यासात् एव सिद्धिं न समधिगच्छति. So Bhagwan says, arambha, when you start doing something, when you start action. Anarambha, when you stop starting action, or when you start doing something. So karmanam anarambhat, when you abstain yourself from doing action, then purushaha, person who is abandoning all the actions, he will not achieve naishkarmyam. He won't become a realized person or a actionless person, or where karma phala will not affect that person. That kind of realized person, na ashnute, he won't become. Okay, so I have to do action in order to become inaction or actionless, means atma swarupa. So okay, I will give up all the karma and I will become actionless. I will not do anything, I'll just sit. I will not do any action. Bhagwan says, sanyasanat, having given up all the karma, siddhim na samadhi gacchati. You are not going to attain the 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 perfection. Siddhim, you are not going to become realized person just by giving up or by renunciation of all the actions. Means what? You must do actions with proper understanding and don't give up karma actions. You won't end up anywhere. Chalo. Now Bhagavan says beautiful shlokas. Vacho nikarma rambha uchita न करिताची सिद्धवत कर्महीना निश्चित होई जेना वाचोनी कर्मारंभ उचित न करिताची सिद्धवत कर्महीना निश्चित होई जेना. Simple. Karmahina, a actionless person who hasn't started actions, doing some karma, doing some vihita karma, nishchita hoi jena. He won't become, he certainly will not become what? Siddhavata. Like realized person, how they have achieved a state of realization, that state siddhavata karmahina nischita hoi jena. A person who is not performing actions, certainly he will not become like a great realized master. Why? Vachoni karmarambha uchita na kartachi. Uchita karmarambha na kartachi. Siddhavata karmahina nishchita hoi jena. Means what? In shloka, only karma is given. Naishkar, na karmana manarambha. Jnaneshwar Maharaj makes it very clear. Uchita karmarambha. That vihita karma, the karma which is enjoined by Shastra, that is called uchita karma, or karma which uh, comes to me seeing my varna and ashrama. That is called uchita karma. Uchita karma na kartachi. Okay, so unless we do vihita karma, nitya naimittik karma, we are not going to go or attain anything. Beautiful. Now second verse is explained, like second part of verse is been explained. का प्राप्त कर्म सांडीजे ये तुलेनी नैष्कर्म्या होईजे हे अर्जुना वाया बोलीजे मूर्खपणे का प्राप्त कर्म सांडीजे ये तुलेनी नैष्कर्म्या होईजे हे अर्जुना वाया बोलीजे मूर्खपणे. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Prapta karma sandiji. The karma which you have received because of your varna and ashrama, if that karma you give up. For example, if I am brahmachari, I am not reading scriptures, I am not memorizing some shlokas, I am not studying scriptures properly, and I give up that because I want to become naishkarmya, actionless. Prapta karma sandiji. And etuleni naishkarmya hoije. So whatever karma is enjoined to you by Shastra, you give up that karma and you say, I will become naishkarmya, a siddha purusha, a realized person, a actionless person. I'll become that. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Hey Arjuna, O Arjuna, Hey Vaya Bolije. This is, blabbering, foolish talk. Murkhapane. These are the words of foolish person. What are the words of foolish person? Whatever actions you have to perform, you are mandatory to perform, you are giving up those actions and you are saying, I'll become Naishkarmi. Little bit complicated. Give a simple example. Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives beautiful example. Sange pailatira jave, aise व्यसन काजे थपावे, तेथ नावे ते त्यजावे घड़े केवी. सांगे पैलतिरा जावे, ऐसे व्यसन काजे थपावे, तेथ नावे ते त्यजावे घड़े केवी. सांगे, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, tell. Pailatira jave, you have to cross the river. You have to go to the next shore, the other shore. I say vyasanaka jetha pave, and this is calamity for you. Means you have to go from this shore to another shore. I say vyasana, this is this is a problem for you, and you say I am not going to use boat. Teth nave te tyajave. I am not going to use boat, but I am going to cross the river. Is it possible? So I want to become Naishkarmya. I am not going to do karma. Is it possible? Beautiful example. Ghade, Kevi. Dhaneshwar Maharaj is asking, is it going to happen? Ghade, Kevi. Because if you have to go to other shore, you have to cross, you have to take the support of the boat. ना तरी तृप्ति इच्छिजे, तरी कैसे निपाकुन कीजे, कि सिद्धु ही न सेविजे केवी सांगी. ना तरी तृप्ति इच्छिजे, तरी कैसे निपाकुन कीजे, कि सिद्धु ही न सेविजे केवी सांगी. Na tari. Another example Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives. So example is for what? That you remember. Example is for if you want to become a Siddha Mahatma, a actionless person who is performing actions, then you have to start doing action. One example is if you want to cross the river, you should not abandon the boat. Second, Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives example. Na tari trupti ichchije. You want to satiate your hunger. Tari kaise nipaku na kije. You say, I want to satiate my hunger, but I am not going to cook. How absurd it is. You want to satiate your hunger, but you will not cook. Unless you cook, you won't be satiating your hunger. Tari kaise nipaku na kije. Then how you cannot cook if you want to satiate your hunger? Okay, if you don't want to cook, then whatever is ready-made food that you do, that you eat, that you consume, No, that also I will not take. Arey, then how you are going to satiate your hunger? Ki siddhu hi na sevije, siddhu hi, which is ready, na sevije, that also you don't want to consume. Kevi sange, then trupti ichchije. How you expect satisfaction from food without cooking them or without eating them? You have to eat. Beautiful, beautiful verse. जव निरर्थता नाही, तव व्यापारू असे पाही, मग संतुष्टीच्या ठाई कुंठे सहजे. जव निरार्थता नाही, तव व्यापारू असे पाही, मग संतुष्टीच्या ठाई कुंठे सहजे. How long I should do nitya naimitic karma? This is what people ask, but they will ask in different way. How long I should go to temple? How long I should do puja? How long I should do japa? This is what people's question. Naneshwar Maharaj says, beautiful verse. Naneshwar Maharaj says, unless there is no desire in the heart. Java nirartata, artha, desire. Nirartha, desireless. Unless there is no desirelessness in your heart, means desire is there. Desire, desireless, not there, means desires are there. So unless and until you have desire in your heart, then you have to do actions, you have to do puja, japa, go to temple, go to pilgrimages, everything you have to do unless and until you have desires in your mind. जव निरार्थता नाही, तव व्यापारू असे, you have to do karma, whatever it is. मग संतुष्टीच्या ठाई कुंठे सहजे. And once you get atmasantushti, beautiful word. Once you get atmasantushti, you don't have any desire, you are happy within yourself, then all actions are done. You don't have to perform any action. No, 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 but I want this. Do it. No, 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 I want this. Do it. I don't want anything. You really don't want anything? I really don't want anything. Why? I am happy within myself. Over. Then, kunthe sahaje. You don't have to do any action. Nice. म्हणोनी ऐके पार्था जया नैष्कर्म्यपदी आस्था तया उचित कर्म सर्वथा त्याज्यनो हे. म्हणोनी ऐके पार्था, therefore you listen. Therefore means since you need karma to become karma naiškarmya, you listen. म्हणोनी ऐके पार्था जया नैष्कर्म्य पदी आस्था, a one who wants to become that man of perfection, man of realized person. Naishkarmya padi astha jaya taya, to that person uchita karma sarvatha tyajya noe. He should not abandon, give up any nitya naimetik karma if you want to become a jnani mahatma. Now, actionless self if you want to become, don't give up. त्याज्य नो हे, it's not त्याज्य. तया उचित कर्म सर्वथा त्याज्य नो हे. He doesn't have to give up any karma if you want to become nishkarma. Now Naneshwar Maharaj gives beautiful, way of teaching. Like, if you want to do karma, you will do it. If you want to give up karma, you will give up. Is it like that? Means now this is introduction to next sloka. The sloka explanation is over here. Now Naneshwar Maharaj, next sloka is saying you cannot give up karma. Beautiful. Because we were talking about giving up karma and we said don't give up karma. Now Naneshwar Maharaj, or in fact Bhagwan says, is it possible to give up karma? Answer is no. Naneshwar Maharaj very beautifully he is going to explain. So now this is introduction to that. Is it really possible to give up karma? Then introduction is Ani apulale chade, apa dile he mande. की त्यजले कर्म सांडे ऐसे आहे. सो आपू आपू आपुला लिया चाडे. चाडे मीन्स आय विश. आपुला लिया, I think I should do karma. Apa dile he mande. So when you want to do karma, and you will do karma and you will get the result. One thing. Ki tyajile karma sande, and I don't want to do any action. So you won't do any karma. I say ahe. Is it like that? Means pay attention. Is it means you are dependent on karma? You are not independent with respect to karma. You can't decide I am going to do action, I will get result of this action. You cannot say I am not going to do any action and you will renounce, you will give up that action. It is not going to possible. You are not controlling karma. Karma is controlling you. Once again I say, you are not going to control, or in fact you are not controlling karma. You are not deciding actions. Actions are deciding you. Actions are controlling you. For example, if I want to have 50,000 salary, so I say I want 50,000 salary. I will do this work. I will get 50,000. So by doing this work, you are not going to 50,000. 50,000 will decide how much work you have to do in order to get 50,000. I don't know whether you understood or not. I don't take up karma. Karma takes me up. Okay, I want to have six pack, six abs. So you can't decide once you want it, then that karma will decide, these many rounds should happen, these many crunches, these that should happen, then only you will get six pack. So karma will decide what you have to do, not you will decide what you have to do. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Apuliya chade apadile he mande. So whatever you want, you will do karma and you will get that result. Ki tyajile karma sande, and if you don't want to do, you will just give up. Will it happen like that? If you are thinking like that, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, हे वायाची सैरा बोलीजे उकल तरी देखो पाहिजे परित्यजिता कर्म न त्यजे निभ्रांत मानी. हे वायाची सैरा बोलीजे. This is blabbering only. What? I will do actions, I will get result. I will give up actions, I won't get result. I'll by giving up action, I'll become sannyasi, I'll become great Mahatma. This is futile, Bhagwan says. He vayachi saira bolije. This is futile. Ukalu tari dekho pahije. Now I am going to tell you the secret. Ukalu tari dekho. If you try to think more about this action, the roller coaster of action, पाहिजे देखो पाहिजे परी त्यजिता कर्म न त्यजे निभ्रांत मानी. If you want to renounce all the karma, still definitely certainly you cannot give up all the actions. Tyajita karma na tyaje. Just you want to give up karma, you will not do any actions, nothing like that. You cannot give up all the karma. Nibrantamani. And Arjuna, you understand this clearly. Crystal clear understanding you should have in this context of karma. You cannot give up all the karma. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishthatya karma krut karyate shavashah karma sarvah prakriti jair gunaihi. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishthatya karma krut कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृति जैर्गुणैः न हि कश्चित् क्षणम् अपि जातु तिष्ठति अकर्मकृत्. I love this shloka. कार्यते हि अवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृति जैः गुणैः. सर्वः प्रकृति जैः गुणैः means in short, Meaning is you cannot give up all the actions. In your personality, there is sattva, raja, tama guna. They will force you to do actions. You cannot give up all the actions. Naneshwar Maharaj is very nicely he is going to explain everything. Let us see Anvaya. Kaschit, someone, jatu kshanam api, for little bit movement also, akarma krut, actionless, nahi tishtati. Nobody can remain even for a moment without doing any action. Okay, I am not doing any action. Are you breathing or not? Yes. I am not doing any action, but words are coming to your ears. Are you listening or not? No, no, I am not listening. How? The words are hitting your eardrums. Okay, I am not doing anything. I am not seeing also. I am not listening also. Are you thinking or not? So it is not possible to become actionless. That is the meaning. Why? Prakriti jaihi gunaihi. So gunaihi, by sattva raja tamo guna which are there in me, prakriti jaihi gunaihi. Prakriti, this matter you can say, and gunas which are born out of this prakriti, maya, matter, avashah karma karyate. Avashah. Avasha means you have control over karma. Avashah, no control over karma. Sometimes you know everything, but still you will end up doing something. You may be a great person, but still you will do some silly mistakes which will spoil your image. Because prakriti jaihi gunaihi sarvahi avashah karma karyate. So you are not doing actions like pre-decided. Your personality is there that will force you to do something or the other. Beautiful. So we should do it. Nitya naimittik karma, that's all. जव प्रकृतीचे अधिष्ठान. Words you see how, juicy words. जव प्रकृतीचे अधिष्ठान, तव सांडी मांडी हे अज्ञान, जे चेष्टा ते गुणाधीन आपसी असे. जव प्रकृतीचे अधिष्ठान, तव सांडी मांडी हे अज्ञान, जे चेष्टा ते गुणाधीन अपैसी असे. There is printing mistake here. अपैसी असे. 2 lines should be there on the head. Okay. जब प्रकृतीचे अधिष्ठान means as long as you have this body, prakriti, this body, adhisthana. Adhisthana in 18th chapter also, adhisthana word is used as body. Adhishthanam tatha karta karanam cha pruthak vidham vividhascha pruthak cheshta. There in that place, adhisthana is used for body. So here Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, prakriti che adhisthana, unless and until this matter which is there in the form of body, it is there unless and until, or as long as it is there, tava sandi mandi he ajnana. I will do this sandi. I will not, sandi, I will not do this. You give up. Mandi, you will do this. He ajnana, this is ignorance. So sandi mandi he ajnana. This is ignorance. I will do this, I will not do this. Unless you have body. You have body, you will do some or the other things. Why? Je cheshta te gunadhina. Cheshta, the actions are decided, destined by my personality, my characteristics, sattva guna, rajoguna, tamoguna. They will decide my functioning of all the body. I cannot decide on my own. Apaisya se, chesta, gunadina apaisya se, effortlessly the working of my limbs or body is under guna, under this 3 guna, inherent matter they say. Now, देखे विहित कर्म जे तुले ते सळे जरी ओसंडले तरी स्वभाव काय निमाले इंद्रियांचे. नाउ इन अदर वे ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज सेस, देखे विहित कर्म जे तुले ते सळे जरी ओसंडिले तरी स्वभाव काय निमाले इंद्रियांचे. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज सेस, okay, you have decided not to do karma, but your sense organs are there, they will do their work or not. What is the work of your nose or the sense organ which is here? Whatever comes, whether it is under your control or not, it is going to smell. Okay, this ear, whether you like it or not, some word hits your some words hit your eardrum, you are going to listen them. विहित कर्म जेतुले सळे जरी ओसंडिले, एव्हरीथिंग यू आर गोइंग टू अबॅन्डन तरी स्वभाव काय निमाले इंद्रियांचे. You will give up all the actions, that is true, but what will happen to the nature of this sense organ which you have? Eyes you can close. How you will close the nose? Okay, you can close nose, eye, everything. How long you are going to close? So you cannot get rid of all the karmas. That's the point. देखे विहित कर्म ते सळे, you want to once and for renounce everything. इंद्रियांचे स्वभाव काय निमाले, the nature of these sense organs will they will all, the nature of that sense organ also will go away. Now beautiful explanation. सांगे श्रवणी ऐकावे ठेले की नेत्रीचे तेज गेले हे नासारंध्र बुजाले परिमळू नेघे. सांगे, you tell. You want to give up actions? Now you tell. Shravani aikave thele. Okay, your ear will stop listening. You will poke your fingers in your ear. You will pack it. How long? Can you sit like this for years? No. Ki netriche tej gele. Okay. So you have decided not to do karma. The sight of eyes has gone away. No, it is there. Whether you decide not to do karma or you decide to do karma, the senses are intact. हे नासारंध्र बुझाले परिमळू नेघे. You have decided not to do karma. If some flower comes to your comes closer to your nose, will it smell or not? No, 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 I don't want to smell. Will it stop? It won't stop. You will have to smell. नासारंध्र बुझाले, if it is packed. परिमळू नेघे, it will take smell. How long you will close your nose, nostrils? Natare pranapan gati. Okay, suppose you say, I'm going to close my eyes, my nose, my mouth, my 2 ears. Okay, you can do that. I will do it for years. Okay, then, okay, you are not doing any action. Pranapan gati. Okay, then can you stop your prana and apana vayu? Can you stop breathing? Breathing is also one kind of action. Point is, you cannot get rid of all the actions. This is the point. Natare pranapana gati. Gati, the respiratory system. Prana, apana, both the. Ki nirvikalpa jahali mati. Okay, you are yogi. You can regulate your breath. You can have full control your breath. But what about thoughts? Ki nirvikalpa jahali mati. Can you get rid of all the thoughts? Not possible. Okay, I will get rid of thoughts also because I will do use some techniques. Okay. Shrudha, Shudha, Trushadi, Arti, Kuntaliya. Will hunger not bother you? Hunger will bother me. Okay. Will thirst not persecute me? It is going to persecute me. Kuntaliya, are you going to get rid of hunger and thirst also? What kind of action you are trying to abandon? You can't abandon anything. That is the point. हे स्वप्नावबोध ठेले की चरण चालो विसरले, हे असो काय निमाले जन्म मृत्यू. हे स्वप्नावबोध ठेले की चरण चालो विसरले, हे असो काय निमाले जन्म मृत्यू. हे स्वप्नावबोध ठेले. Okay, you have decided not to do any action. Will you get up or not? Means Bhagwan Dhaneshwar Maharaj is trying to tell us that our sleep and our waking up, everything is decided by karma. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Here Dhaneshwar Maharaj says our sleep, swapna, sleep, avabodha, waking state, this is also controlled by our karma. So you, when you get up, your karma is ready to give you karma phala. That is why you have got up. Otherwise, you will be sleeping nicely because no karma phala is there. So getting up is action. Sleeping is also one kind of action because you are exhausting your karma in sleep also. Ki charana chalo visarale. Okay, your this thing is there. What? Your feet, your legs, will they stop walking? Won't they go anywhere? How long you will be sitting? Or the nature of the legs are to walk. Will it forget that also? Here, so leave everything. Janma mrityu nimale kaya. You tell me, won't you have death? Won't you have birth? Isn't it an action? So actually speaking, can you get rid of all the actions? No, no, no. He nathake chizari kahi sandile te ka सांडिले ते काही म्हणून कर्म त्यागू नाही प्रकृती म्हणता. हिअर ई हॅज टू बी देयर. हे नठके चिजरी काही सांडिले ते काही म्हणून कर्म त्यागू नाही प्रकृती म्हणता. सो वन्स इफ यू कांट give up all these things, what are you going to give up? You can't give up breathing, you can't give up smelling, you can't give up tasting, you can't give up uh, so many other things, hearing, listening, everything you can't give up. Then what are you going to give up? He na thake chizari kahi. If you can't give up all these things, then how? Tari sandile te kai. What have you given up? Manoni, therefore, if you can't give up this, the actions of all the senses, then what have you given up? What are you going to give up? Nothing. Manoni karma tyago nahi prakriti manta. Therefore, you can't do karma tyaga. Okay. Prakriti manta, one who has a body, he can't do karma tyaga. Manoni karma tyagu nahi prakriti manta. The one who has this body, he cannot give up all the karma. That's the truth. You can't give up anything. That is the truth. Unless you have body, you have to do karma. So better let us start doing nitya naimittik karma. Last two verses we will see and then we'll stop. कर्म पराधीनपणे निपजतसे प्रकृती गुणे येरी घरी मोकली अंतकर एरी धरी मोकली अंतकरिणे वाहिजे वाया कर्म पराधीनपणे निपजतसे प्रकृती गुणे येरी धरी मोकली अंतःकरणे वाहिजे वाया. कर्म पराधीनपणे निपजतसे प्रकृती गुणे. कर्म प्रकृती गुणे पराधीनपणे निपजत असे. All the actions, they are under the control of gunas, under the control of primordial matter. If you say dhari, I will do actions. If you say I will give up, mokali vahije vaya antakarane. In your mind, you are having this useless thought that you will take up action, you will give up all the actions. This is not going to possible. Can you give example? Beautiful example. Okay, there is one chariot and you are mounted on that chariot and you have decided I will not do anything. But if the chariot moves here and there, definitely you have to move or not. Whether you want to move or not, that is a secondary thing. But if chariot moves, you have to move independently. You are not there, you are dependent on that chariot. Same way, you are inside this body. If you don't want to do anything, but wherever this chariot goes, wherever this body goes, wherever this sense organ wants to do anything, you have to do it. Dekhe rudhi rathi arudhije. Once you are mounted on, once you climb this chariot, once you get into it, maga zari nischala baisije. You are on the chariot and you say, I will not do anything. Nischala zari baisije. Tari chala honi hindije paratantra. Then also, when you decide not to do anything and you are mounted on the chariot, still when chariot moves, you have to move. You will be moving because paratantra, you are not independent. Can you give another example? Yes. So there is wind blowing, and in that wind, there is one small leaf. That leaf says that I don't want to move anywhere. But that leaf is not independent. Once the wind comes and takes over that leaf, leaf is dependent on that wind. का उचलिले वायु वशे चढ़े शुष्क पत्र जैसे निचेष्ट आकारो तैसे परिभ्रमे. का उचलिले वायु वशे चढ़े शुष्क पत्र जैसे निचेष्ट आकाशे परिभ्रमे. The same example is explained. If dried leaf, shushka patra, vayuvashe uchalale, it is carried away by the wind. Nicheshta, that leaf doesn't want to do anything. Akashe paribrame, but that leaf is going to, go all the way like whirlpool in that wind. So in the same way, if you don't want to do anything, still you will be whirlpooled in this body, and this body will do action. तैसे प्रकृति आधारे कर्मेंद्रिय विकारे निष्कर्मु ही vyapare nirantar. Now Naneshwar Maharaj says, the people who are realized people, nishkarmu hi vyapare nirantar. A person who is realized, vyapare nirantar, he also has to do action. Karmendriya vikare, because of all the sense organs, then he has to do. Taisi prakriti adhare, and with the help of this prakriti, this body, a realized person also have to do actions. So you are unrealized person, you must do the actions. Now Sharma gives the final verdict. What? Manoni sangujav prakrutica तव त्यागू न घडे कर्माचा ऐसिया ही करू म्हणती तयाचा आग्रहोची उरे. म्हणूनी संगू जव प्रकृतीचा तव त्यागू न घडे कर्माचा ऐसिया ही करू म्हणती तयाचा आग्रहोची उरे. म्हणूनी therefore प्रकृतीचा जव संगू, unless and until there is association with this body, त्यागू न घडे कर्माचा, you cannot give up any actions. Better you channelize your action. No, I am going to give up all the action. ऐसिया ही करू म्हणती. those people who say, I am going to give all the actions irrespective of this body. Tayacha agrahochi ure. These people, they will have this stubbornness only. They will just say, I am going to give up all the karma. This will be in the words. Actually, it is not going to possible. Agrahochi ure. So they will, forcefully say this. They won't have any control over it. Beautiful. Hmm. Um, रूप पाहता लोचनी रूप पाहता लोचनी सुख झाले ओ साजनी सुख झाले ओ साजनी तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा बहुत सुकृताची जोडी म्हणून विठ्ठली आवडी म्हणून विठ्ठली आवडी तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा सर्व सुखाचे आगर सर्व सुखाचे आगर पाप रखुमा देवीवर पाप रखुमा देवीवर तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरद हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।